generous, and dependable.
Humble.
Pastor Reggie is a leader.
Pastor Reggie, firm.
Buutan.
He is very hardworking.
Strong.
Bubutan, hinahod mo, wali sa pulong sa Ginoo, and gwapo po kayo.
Pastor Reggie, diligent.
She is a very soft-spoken pastora, and I love her so much.
Pastora Michelle, wisdom.
Advisor.
Dependent.
Gwapang, buutan, matinabangon,
Pastora Michelle, optimistic.
confident.
Pastora Machil, virtuous, disciplinarian.
Discerning. Gracious.
Gentle. Gwapo po siya, hinahod din mo, wali sa pulong sa Ginoo, cute mo smile.
Pasensyoso.
Devoted.
Genuine.
Pastor Dario, compassionate, considerate.
Pastor Dario, best.
He is a very prayerful man. He is a very prayerful pastor.
Pastor Adelia, graceful.
Prayerful. Gwapa, and cute mo smile.
Pasensyosa.
Pastor Adelia, love. Caring.
Nurturing.
Pastora Delia is a very, very appreciative pastor. She always smiles very much.
Pastora Dalia, enlightened, prudent.
Cheerful.
Gwapo kaayo, o buutan, and tinibangon.
Teacher.
Pastor Ken, talented.
A musician or keyboard warrior.
Pastor Kenneth, humble.
Very articulate siya through his words.
Talented.
Pastor Ken, polymath, diligent.
Giver.
Creative.
Gwapa din po eh. Cute mo smile.
Pastora Joy, talented.
Gifted, trustworthy.
She is very creative.
Kind.
Compassionate.
Gwapo po siya. Tinabangon, nahod mo, wali sa pulong sa Ginoo.
Pastor Elvin, thoughtful.
Discipler.
Pastor Elvin, wise. Leader.
Very caring. Kaayo siya. He is very caring so much.
Mentor.
Dedicated.
Pastor Alvin, servant-hearted, devoted.